AI fad continues into 2024. In 2023, everyone is crazy about artificial intelligence, AI. But besides ChatGPT, the dynamics of other market players are also worth paying attention to. AI startups have received favor from investors. Cloud service providers have quickly formed teams. NVIDIA's market value and revenue have both soared, and everyone is anticipating the AI PC. Governments worldwide are also busy, contemplating how to effectively regulate without stifling technological innovation. In November 2022, OpenAI's generative AI chatbot ChatGPT was launched. As everyone knows, ChatGPT became a sensation and remained popular for a year, bringing the magic of AI into ordinary households. ChatGPT was an instant success. According to Statista data, ChatGPT attracted 1 million users in just 5 days. By October 2023, over 1.7 billion people had used it. After ChatGPT, tech giants and startups alike have been launching their large language models, LLMs, or accelerating the integration of generative AI features into existing services, such as Microsoft's search engine and productivity tools. OpenAI's GPT store is also set to open in 2024, and Google Gemini's API is already available. Perhaps soon, generative AI will become as natural as copy and paste, and people will no longer be surprised by its presence. Startup Inflection AI claims to be developing an LLM trained on 22,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, highlighting the importance of advanced chips for LLMs. Inflection AI, founded in 2022 by Reid Hoffman, Mustafa Suleyman, and Karen Simonian, specializes in machine learning and generative AI hardware and applications. The company has partnered with NVIDIA to develop hardware specifically for generative AI and raised $1.3 billion USD at a valuation of $4 billion in 2023. Its first widely released product is a chatbot named Pi, Personal Intelligence, designed as an AI-based personal assistant providing emotional support, kindness, and humor. Generative AI's popularity has also boosted discussions about NVIDIA, or its CEO, Jensen Huang. Nearly every LLM developer must order chips from NVIDIA. Microsoft's CTO Kevin Scott praised NVIDIA's AI chips as crucial for Microsoft's AI computing. However, Microsoft also collaborates with AMD, indicating that AMD's GPUs will likely gain a significant market share in the coming years due to competitive pricing, an essential consideration for businesses. A looming concern for NVIDIA is the US-China trade conflict. With the US imposing restrictions on high-end chip exports to China, Chinese tech companies are rushing to acquire enough NVIDIA chips before the ban takes effect. Local chip makers hope to fill NVIDIA's shoes, and NVIDIA is reportedly downgrading to produce chips exportable to China. Everyone needs NVIDIA's AI chips. NVIDIA itself has invested in multiple AI startups. Microsoft invested $10 billion in OpenAI and recently became an observer on OpenAI's board, though without voting rights. OpenAI's annualized revenue in 2023 exceeded $1.6 billion, a more than 20% increase from $1.3 billion in mid-October. Despite internal board conflicts at OpenAI, the company's revenue, especially from corporate users, has grown over 20% in just 2 months since ChatGPT's official launch in February 2023. OpenAI's monthly revenue can reach $130 million, a staggering 5,700% annual increase compared to its total revenue of about $28 million in 2022. OpenAI is expected to embark on a new fundraising round, potentially boosting its valuation to over $100 billion, attracting many large investors. If OpenAI's valuation reaches the $100 billion, it will become the second largest startup in the US, second only to Elon Musk's SpaceX. OpenAI is also reportedly entering the custom chip market, negotiating with Abu Dhabi AI and cloud computing provider G42 to raise $8 to $10 billion for related projects. Despite OpenAI's internal issues, such as the dismissal and eventual return of CEO Sam Altman, the company has continued to grow. Microsoft's investment in OpenAI is closely tied to its cloud service Azure, while other cloud providers like Google and Amazon have found their AI investment targets. Amazon and Google have invested in another AI startup, Anthropic, with Amazon investing up to $4 billion and Google up to $2 billion. Anthropic, an American artificial intelligence startup founded by former OpenAI members, focuses on developing general AI systems and large language models, emphasizing AI safety and reliability. In 2023, many AI startups emerged. The UK government hosted an AI safety summit in November 2023, featuring startups like Anthropic and Inflection AI. Each AI startup has a different vision. For instance, Germany's Aleph Alpha emphasizes AI sovereignty, keeping data within Europe. Hugging Face is like the AI community's GitHub, creating toolkits for developers. Elon Musk announced the formation of xAI in July 2023, with its Grok chatbot focusing on witty and humorous responses. A Bloomberg report in July mentioned that an AI investment craze was blowing in China, aiming to compete with US companies. Participants include former executives from companies like Sogu, ByteDance, and JD.com. Kai-Fu Lee's Innovation Works O1 AI has also become an AI startup unicorn. Countries are incorporating AI into their agendas, balancing regulation and innovation. No one wants to repeat the mistakes of the social media era, where incorrect or biased information can have negative effects. China requires AI services to be registered before release, while the US demands prior testing results. From a technological development perspective, no country wants to fall behind and miss out on AI's digital opportunities. If they can't nurture their local AI enterprises to become rule makers, they'll have to follow others' rules. Altman has called on the US government to lead in rulemaking. The UK and France have declared their intentions to become the AI centers of continental Europe. China is also promoting AI innovation while regulating AI tools. The AI PC is seen as a bright spot in the PC market for 2024, when significant growth will be seen is still under debate. It's certain, however, that the three major PC manufacturers, Dell, HP, and Lenovo, expect to launch AI PC products by mid or late 2024. Intel introduced 3 new chips in December 2023 to capture AI market opportunities. Additionally, Microsoft has integrated the generative AI assistant Copilot into Windows 11, evolving the old Clippy into Copilot, which is expected to be more relatable for general users. Thanks for watching.